Hi, I'm Todd Bishop, President of BRER Technical, Bellingham, Washington. We're consultants specializing in the testing and inspection of industrial fiberglass equipment. Would your company like to get more life out of your FRP equipment and reduce the risk at the same time? BRER Technical is proud to introduce a progressive damage chart. It's commonly understood that about 80% of equipment failure occurs without respect to the age of the equipment. Clearly, you can't afford unplanned outages and loss, but neither can you afford to replace equipment just because you don't have the right tools to analyze it. The progressive damage chart, based on BRER Technical's patented Monitored Filament Insertion, or MFI, process, answers that conundrum. Most would agree that what is needed is a means of predicting the remaining strength of fiberglass, much like it is done with metals. With metals, they measure the thickness loss and the rate at which it is approaching a minimum preset thickness, or T-min, to schedule replacement. Until now, it's been inconceivable to try this with fiberglass because of the unknowns and inconsistencies of the material system. Now, however, BRER has introduced the progressive damage chart that displays a calculated original thickness, the current saturated adjusted thickness, and T-min on a timeline that will facilitate a trend to failure over time. All of this is based on exact measurements provided by patented BRER Technical MFI technology. How do we set the original thickness and T-min if it's an unknown, you may ask? The answer is to generate required thicknesses based on accepted industry resources. We may not know how thick it was, but we can know what it should be, and that is more important. To accomplish this, we have embedded accepted thickness databases and formulas in our software for most pipes and tank diameters, pressure ratings, and constructions, also taking into account specific gravity and external loads and criticality of the process. For 20 years, BRER has been a leader and a pioneer in the use of UT, thermal, and X-ray methods on used running fiberglass, and has a substantial internal laboratory for sample testing. We've advertised the ability to see through FRP empty or running. While true, we came to understand that being able to non-destructively see the thickness and cross-section of FRP does not necessarily support strength estimates. And core sampling is destructive and expensive and does not quantify the key issue, which is a true internal condition of the laminate itself. These tools have their place, but they are no longer our primary technology. For example, mid-wall embedded delamination is reasonably easy to detect with UT and X-ray and even thermal methods. The problem is, delamination has some effect on localized flexural strength properties, but less on tensile strength or the beam stiffness of the structure as a whole, and are therefore seldom a valid reason to recommend action unless delam is close enough to the surface to cause disruption and the total wall is marginal overall. Delamination has resulted in millions of dollars of FRP equipment replacement, yet they are usually the result of poorly bonded past repairs or manufacturing problems that have existed since the equipment was new. We needed a solution that quantifies the laminate degradation that truly threatens the reliability of the equipment. Is this a bad pipe? Maybe. Is this a good pipe? Maybe, but maybe not. MFI is a unique in-service laminate analysis tool. The instrument is a complex device, but also a light and feel-hardy tool that is practical to use with long battery life, intuitive controls, and wireless data transfer. It may be easily operated from a ladder by a single technician. It permanently feeds a hair-like inert metallic filament into the laminate by friction piercing and is sealed in place by the waist of insertion and covered with an epoxy cap. The automated MFI test is preset in one of 3 delivery modes by controlling software. During the brief 15 to 90 second insertion, the device reacts to several preset insertion parameters and monitors and graphs multiple output data streams in real time, stopping itself when preset limits are reached. The machine always knows the exact position of the tip of the filament within about 5/1000ths of an inch, and all data is graphed in real time and automatically filed under the correct location by our POIS reporting software. The exact depth of voids and delaminations, as well as general softening and saturation, are known, and a real remaining thickness is derived from that information. Once in the software, the results may be compared with a T-min based on our proprietary embedded database for the progressive degradation chart as stated previously. This patented, unique, non-destructive technique has been under development at BRER Technical for 10 years and has been in use in various forms for over 8 years. This tool has evolved into a sophisticated means for determining the true saturated adjusted thickness of in-service and saturated laminates. A progressive degradation graph in the POIS report will show you how thick it is now, how thick it should have been when new, and how thin it can get before replacement is recommended. All programmatically documented with the key variables of the test. Built specifically for use on in-service and saturated equipment, it clearly detects voids and delamination, the overall consistency and hardness of the laminate, the depth of saturation and softness within the laminate. On completion, the related software turns it into a simple and easy-to-use solution. After 8 years and thousands of installations, its capabilities have evolved and it has proven to be both safe and effective, taking much of the guesswork out of FRP replacement. Let us show you how MFI can let you run your equipment longer, plan your maintenance better, with fewer safety and production delays.